Here's a test of the 433 megahertz remote 4-channel and the receiver. At this point the address is 000000, but as you can see, pressing the B button, which is the channel the LED is connected to, you're getting a pulse while you hold the button down. So depending on the setup, you can have this power activate a transistor, which will act as a switch to activate the relay that activates the appliance. So you can design a latching circuit using the transistor that once it receives the pulse, it will remain on and stay on. Or you can use something like this that is a latching relay. It does not need continuous power to remain switched to the on position.